All right.
Yeah.
Now, let's get ready to warp to battle.
Oh, man. Our flamethrowers. Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh. They're fighting.
Who's gonna win?
I think it's gonna be Gray.
Oh. You won again, Grace?
Bay Warriors just keep. That's bear. He does it with his own.
Alright, try again. Rev it up. Rev it up.
It's because I'm stronger with him.
Oh, you're stronger. Okay, that's why.
That falls off.
I get it.
Alright, rev it up, Gray. Let's go. Ready? Do it. No.
Oh.
You gotta do it at the same time.
You gotta wait. You gotta pick it up and do it again.
Mom, 3, 2, 1,
You
let
gotta
it
count and do it
rev.
at the same time. Gray!
I just stop it. And stop it.
You gotta rev it, and then you can't set it down.
I won.
Knocked him right out.
I actually went in there to get Brooks' present. And I'm looking around. I went into the section that they have the, well, I didn't know. I could not find them anywhere. I was looking at all these boy toys everywhere.
Oh, no, wait. No,
But then I guess they had another aisle.
Oh, yeah.
But
Where's my
I didn't
collector
see
card?
it.
Okay. Great, these are both.
Yeah, they have like a section of it all.
If you ask the Kyle, they'll know where it is.
Great, let me see them.
No, I mean, eventually I looked around and found it. But,
Mom, I know what he keeps on winning.
anyway.
It's an attack.
And I almost missed them. They had pretty
Okay.
small.
Mine